Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Apriansa with name 240411000134. I will read the text with the title US Cities Past and Present. Dr. Charles Adrian, a political science professor at the University of California at Riverside, has made a 20-year study of the problem of American cities. The results are presented in a book called History of American City Government, 1775 up to 1870. Number 1. The problem of the national cities: pollution, crime, riots, a lack of planning, transportation are bad, but they be worse in the so-called good old days, according to Dr. Charles Adrian. He gives pollution from automobiles as an example. He agrees that it may be bad now, but he stated that there was a lot of pollution from horse and other animal American cities in the 19th century. Number 2, most cities had their own slaughterhouse where cows and pigs were killed a century ago. They were careless about throwing out the remains of the animals and that sort of things, he said, and the sewer system for waste disposal was almost non-existent. Number 3, some of the problems that bettered people living in the cities during that period are still with us: poor planning, problem, low income, neighborhood, police relation, and public transportation. Number 4, pollution was a very important problem for city government in the last century, particularly with regard to water supplies. Dr. Adrian said they had some idea that water could be polluted, but they didn't know how trying to get pure water was a big problem. Number 5, people like to talk about the good old days, but actually the cities of the 19th century were dirty and in many ways filthier than today. Communicable disease was a great concern. There was still smallpox and also yellow fever, malaria, cholera, typhoid. The infant death rate was high, and there were other dangers as well. Number 6, it is true that people were not being killed by cars. However, they often were killed or seriously injured by runaway horse. It was quite common, Dr. Adrian said. Number 7, crime was a great concern, according to Dr. Adrian. Mugging wasn't as common then, he said, but it did exist. Pickpockets were very skilled. To also, from the 1830s on, there were a lot of summer. Get the rights, that wasn't just something from the 1960s. There were supper cows, but basically it was because many people moved the cities from rural areas. Number 8, planning of the cities and their neighborhoods was controlled by land speculators and real estate developers who were only interested in making money. Number 9, finally, Dr. Adrian thinks that the situation and problem facing American cities have not changed so much, and he suggests that we look back at the past and try to learn from it.